Schlage Encode Deadbolts can get stuck for several key reasons. Let's examine the main causes. First, low battery power below 20% can force the lock into manual mode, causing misalignment and jamming. Second, firmware glitches can prevent proper app synchronization, leading to unresponsive states. Third, physical obstructions or misalignment with the strike plate can add resistance, preventing the motor from retracting the bolt. Before attempting more complex fixes, first ensure your batteries aren't the issue. Replace them with fresh AA batteries. Next, check for any physical obstructions blocking the bolt's movement. Clear any debris around the bolt and strike plate. Finally, ensure the door is properly aligned. A misaligned door frame can cause the bolt to bind. A reset can resolve many software-related issues with the Schlage encode. First, remove the lock from the door. Next, disconnect the batteries completely for at least 30 seconds. This clears the lock's memory. Then, reinstall the batteries and remount the lock on the door. Finally, repair the lock with the Schlage app. This recalibrates the settings. If the reset procedure doesn't resolve the issue, there are 2 emergency unlock methods available. First, if your Schlage encode model includes a physical keyhole, use the provided key to manually override and retract the bolt. Alternatively, use a 9-volt battery as an emergency power source. Locate the backup power port on your lock and insert the 9-volt battery for 10 to 15 seconds. This provides enough power to manually retract the bolt. Remember that not all Schlage encode models come equipped with a physical keyhole, so check your specific model beforehand. Outdated firmware is a common cause of glitches in the Schlage encode. These software issues can lead to unresponsive locks or connectivity problems. To prevent issues, ensure your lock has the latest firmware installed via the Schlage app. The app will check for and install updates automatically. Schlage released firmware version 4.2.1 in 2025, which significantly improved battery management and reduced lockouts. This update enhanced overall reliability of the lock. Regular firmware updates are crucial for optimal performance and to avoid future glitches. Keep your Schlage encode updated for the best experience. If misalignment is the cause of your Schlage encode sticking, you might need to adjust the strike plate, loosen the screws, and reposition the plate for smoother bolt engagement. To adjust, loosen the screws on the strike plate and reposition it so the bolt engages smoothly. If the problem persists or you're uncomfortable making these adjustments, contact a professional locksmith. They can properly align the door and strike plate, ensuring smooth operation. To prevent future problems with your Schlage encode, replace the batteries every 3 months, even if they aren't fully depleted. This ensures consistent power for the lock mechanism. Regularly check for firmware updates through the Schlage app. These updates improve reliability and fix potential issues before they occur. Avoid using vacation mode for extended periods if possible, as it can worsen sticking problems if the batteries run out unexpectedly. Keep the bolt and strike plate clean and free of debris to prevent mechanical jamming and ensure smooth operation. If reliability remains a concern, consider alternative smart lock brands like Yale or Kwikset. The future of smart locks includes improved battery technology with lithium-ion options, integrated AI diagnostics for predictive maintenance, and hybrid designs combining app, keypad, and key for enhanced redundancy and security.